Guys, the refrigerator, the new one, is at the house. I'm really excited. Don texted me and said it got delivered. He sent me a picture of it. He even, bless his heart. Not bless his heart. That's kind of a bad southern thing. I don't know. I've heard it both ways. People tell me that's a bad thing. It's a good thing. Anyways, love Don so much because he's like, I even left the wrappings on it for you to take off, which will be so freaking satisfying. It's not even funny. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'll do it on camera with you guys, so you can see. The guy was totally jamming out in his car. That's hysterical. Yeah, so I will do it on camera. Me taking off the plastic. It's kind of like plastic wrap or something sticky, that way that it doesn't get scratched or whatnot. But I'm really excited. I'm excited to like look in it and go, okay, this is where I want this is where I want that, this is where I want that. I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited. Like, the day has come. How long have we been talking about a new refrigerator? A very long time. The time is finally here. That's all I'm going to say about it. Okay, guys. Say hello to the new refrigerator. It's beautiful. Look at this. Look at that. Don already put stuff in here. But hello. It's beautiful. As you can see, there's still some stuff on this side that I need to take off. Oh yeah, that is as satisfying as I thought it was going to be. Oh yes. Oh yes. Look at. And this is, well, you probably can't see it down here very well. But there is a freezer down, oh yeah, you can't see it. But there's a big giant freezer down here, which we love. Which I love. Why can't this part come off? I should say, why isn't this part coming off? Watch out, Poe. I'm so in love. This is very beautiful. Like, look, like, I'm sorry. Look how beautiful this is. It's Samsung. I do need to get stainless steel, what's it called, like a cleaner, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure Method makes one. But yeah, I'm in love. I'm impressed. I'm gonna keep taking off. Oh, watch out, Dusty. All of this wrapping, because taking this off is very satisfying to me right now. Oh yeah, it's like super satisfying. Chicken French.
He smiles and he's like so good out of his mouth.
Cat cafe, and there's cats everywhere, and Summer's here. You know you got true friends when they let you live out your crazy cat lady. Look at the cats. Look at, they're everywhere. Look at that one. Oh my god.
Walter, do you have a catnip pillow?
He's like, yes, yes, yes. Oh,
But I do think it'll be fun when we can add
this
your
guy.
life into the mix for things like
Hi,
Dragon Bingo
buddy.
and
Yeah.
trivia night.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it'll be a lot of fun. And it's coming along, but yeah, the city did not know what to make of a cat cafe. All those old white dudes at City Hall just
Yeah.
mind blown by the concept of it. So one guy didn't even